What is gamification, and how can you use it to enhance your retail team's performance? Gamification is normally a concept that is applied to consumers and how you get them to interact with your brand. So this might be something where you have consumers interacting with a website you've set up online that allows them to earn points or earn badges or rack up rewards, ways that they can engage with your company that would excite them and leave them wanting to come back for more. But I want to talk about gamification in the context of how you as a leader interact with your employees, your team. How do you excite them and turn their everyday interactions and their everyday experiences into more of a game, something that would excite them and give them motivation to continue to give their very best. It's most easily applied to sales teams. Of course, they're already probably incentivized by commission or bonuses for the sales that they are making, or they have a quota in place to help motivate them. But gamification can be a way to break out of the monotony of the day-to-day transactions that they may be interacting with customers in. I'm going to give you a few examples of different ways that leaders have used the idea of turning your everyday into a game to help keep associates coming back for more. It's also great for associate retention too. Coming up in the near future, you could have a March Madness bracket where associates or teams of associates are pitted against each other, competing on different metrics that you're trying to lift the bar on. With St. Patrick's Day coming up, maybe you have a game that you've set up in the back of house that they're chasing down a pot of gold. They have to find it, and by completing different types of sales transactions, they are uncovering opportunities to be drawn for that pot of gold, or to uncover it, or to make their way across a rainbow. I don't know. Get creative. There's lots of ways you can do it. Fools can be a fun one, or maybe they win a prize, or possibly it's a trick, right? And they have to do something funny, as long as it's nothing that would really embarrass them. End of school, so you could have a graduation theme one where they're trying to complete all the courses or something like that. Maybe you have a bunch of trainings that they have to complete, and you could align it with that somehow. These games don't necessarily have to have prizes of value. Some of them can, and I think that's great. Others might just be recognition in front of their peers, or maybe they get their name at the top of a board of ranking amongst their peers. It always is nice to get a gift card or a little prize sometimes too. Maybe it's an extra hour off work where they get off early for the weekend. Gamification is a great way to keep the work environment fun, especially during this challenging time where lots of people are reevaluating whether they really want to stick with their current career choices. Leave a comment and let me know what types of games you have used to make a more fun environment for your employees. And be sure and subscribe and share with other retail leaders. Thanks.